Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Spotify download not working. First, make sure that you have Spotify subscription as downloads are only available for premium users. Next, check your internet connection and then try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. Then, ensure that your device has enough storage. Go to settings and then go to iPhone storage or general and then go to iPhone storage and check that you have enough storage space for download. Then go to Spotify settings and make sure download using cellular is enabled if you're not on Wi-Fi. Then restart the app and try downloading again. If the issue continues, log back in or reinstall the app. That's how you fix the Spotify download not working. If this video helped you, do not forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide.